Yo, what is up guys? Brian's Vlogs here with another video, and today's video will be how do you get your first 100 subscribers on your first YouTube channel. Alright, so you've started your YouTube channel. Now how do I get subscribers? So this video will be teaching you how to get subscribers. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. So the first thing I would tell you if you're starting our YouTube channel is that don't give up if you only get like 5 if you only get like 5 views, or you have 5 subscribers or 0. Don't give up, guys. Everybody starts at the bottom. You know, I had 0 viewers. I have old YouTube channels where I have like 3 subscribers, and you know that didn't stop me from making this channel and keep trying, because I've had this YouTube channel for like, I think it's since 2016 or 2017. So it's probably more than, it's for sure more than 2 years. I'm not really sure. But I've been having this channel for a while now. And, you know, I barely have 500 subscribers. You know, I don't make money off YouTube. So I'm not making it for money. So when you're going to start off your YouTube channel, make sure you're making it because you actually want to make YouTube videos, not because you want money. Because if I'm honest, unless you have a following already, it's going to take a long time. So I don't make money from my YouTube videos because you need more than 1,000 subscribers and more than 4,000 hours of watch time. So yeah, I am nowhere close to that, but I am still trying, and let's see, maybe in the future I may even make money off YouTube. Who knows? But make sure you enjoy making videos to YouTube. So the first thing I would say is to make videos. So don't expect to get 100 subscribers in one video unless you have a following already or the video goes viral somehow. But most channels start off with like barely any viewers or subscribers. So make sure to keep uploading videos. The more videos you will make, the more viewers and the more subscribers you will get. Because let's say I upload one more video, that means I might get one more subscriber, one person that watches the video. So keep uploading videos and keep making content that you enjoy, and make content that you would want to watch. So don't make some boring video that when you watch it you're like, you don't want to really watch it anymore. Make sure it's entertaining. Or let's say if you're making gameplay, make sure to learn how to edit. So maybe cut out the boring parts and leave in like the cool parts, the parts that you would think somebody would want to watch. And yeah, so make sure you make good content and keep uploading videos. When you're starting off a YouTube channel, you want to make sure that people know you're starting a YouTube channel. So if you go to school, you can tell your friends that, hey, I'm starting a YouTube channel, go subscribe. Or if you have social media, you could maybe do a post about your YouTube channel. Or even like your mom, your brother, your sister, someone that you know, you could tell them about their YouTube channel. Because everything, when something is starting off, like a brand, they are probably telling their friends, hey, go check out my brand, or on Instagram they're posting about it. So you always have to let people know that you're starting your YouTube channel. So let's say you make a video about Fortnite and get 1 view, but you make a video about Call of Duty and it gets 50 views. So make sure you're uploading what your viewers are watching most, what your viewers want to watch most, what your subscribers like. So if your channel is about Call of Duty and you upload, let's say, Fortnite, and it doesn't get any views, stick to what is getting you views and what is getting you more subscribers. Also, if you already have, like, let's say you're uploading Fortnite videos and people really like your content, you could maybe try doing different types of videos and try to see what's gonna get you views. So try experimenting with different type of content, like if you're gaming, in real life videos, or cooking, or just some vlog, something. So always try to have a variety and see what is getting you more views, and maybe that will let you know what you should start uploading more. Have a YouTube profile picture. So upload a profile picture. Don't leave the default one, since it doesn't really look nice. It doesn't stand out. Have some thumbnails. I already have a video on how to make thumbnails on your phone, so put a thumbnail on every video you have, and they're pretty easy to make, guys. So that will definitely get you more viewers, and more viewers equals more subscribers. Also, when you're starting off your YouTube channel, make sure when you're titling your videos, make sure to put it like a more complex. Or here, I'll give you an example. Okay, so I'm gonna upload a meme video, right? So I'm gonna upload memes. So the title could be, if I'm gonna upload just a meme video, maybe someone would put meme video or memes. But since there is so much videos with the name memes, you probably want to make it something more catchy, something that will make someone want to click on your video. So maybe you could put insanely hard, try not to laugh, or really funny memes, or 99% will laugh, or challenge, or something like that. But basically try to make something that will pop up. So don't make your titles too boring, like Fortnite or gaming video or soccer. Make it like let's say Fortnite gameplay on my PS4, or my first video, or something that not just make it too like generic. If you have any friends that have a following, or maybe they just have already YouTube channel with like 10 subscribers or something, you may want to ask for shoutouts. So some people on YouTube make videos for shoutouts, so they'll be like, subscribe and I'll give you a shout out, and they have maybe 20 viewers, so maybe 1% out of those 20 viewers will subscribe. So try to see if you could get shout outs from someone else, as it will make sure more people know about your content, your channel. Edit your videos. So always try to edit your videos if they need any editing. So don't just upload a 30-minute video about like something boring. Maybe if you have a 30-minute video and maybe like the most interesting part is only like 5 minutes, maybe try to make the video 10 minutes or 5 minutes. So if you're uploading a vlog, make sure to cut out the boring parts that you think shouldn't really be in the video, and just leave the parts you want to be in the video. So try to learn how to edit, and it is pretty easy to edit, guys. It's not complicated, unless if you're editing like, I don't know, like if you're making 3D, or if you're modeling something, or you're doing color grading. But if you're just gonna be editing for like Fortnite or gaming videos or vlogs, it's not gonna be that hard. So my next video will be how to edit on iMovie, which is free for iPhone. So if you have an iPhone or a Mac, that video will definitely help you. And I'll be teaching you guys how to edit videos. I'll be teaching you guys how to get the music and stuff. So yeah, make sure when you're uploading videos, make sure you're putting some time into it, and try to edit if you can. So there's this thing on YouTube called tags, which are basically hashtags. So some of you may have Instagram, and there's hashtags that you can put in your description to get more views on your post. So it's basically the same thing with YouTube. So in your description, you could put tags. So if your video is something like food, you could put hashtag food, hashtag tacos, hashtag hungry, something that is related to your video. So basically try to summarize your video into different words, and you put them as tags, and it will pop up when somebody searches something that you put in a tag. So if I put in a tag hungry, if I search up hungry, your video will rank higher on the search. So how when you search something, there's these videos that pop up, and the first video usually has more views than the ones on the bottom sometimes. So it's because they're using tags. So it will help you be the first ones when you search up something on YouTube. Check out what is popular right now on YouTube. So a lot of people are watching like makeup videos, or gaming, maybe like cooking tutorials, because a lot of us are in quarantine. So if you want to make one of those videos, they might get more views because they are trending right now on YouTube. So try to see what is trending and try to make one of them as your videos.